On this 1080p timeline, I have a piece of 720p footage. When I right-click, I have these two options: scale to frame size and set to frame size. And I want to show you the difference. Scale to frame size will reinterpret the footage to the frame size. So when it's at full frame, we have scale 100, and to go back to the original size, you'd go back to about 66. Okay, let's undo. Now, set to frame size. When I click set to frame size, Premiere adjusts the scale to fill the screen. So if I go back down to 100%, that's the original footage size. And right now that it's filling the screen, it's set to 150. My preference is always set to frame size. So when I look at the effect controls window, with a quick glance at the scale, I can see what size the original footage was.